Hey Nash, what should we make?
I procured us some baby back ribs and we just got that new smoker, so let's smoke some ribs.
All right, let's smoke some baby back ribs. Welcome back. Now that most of my injuries are pretty much healed, sorry about the time off, but we are back and I got a new smoker. So today we're gonna make some super easy, not super quick, but super easy, fall off the bone, baby back ribs. It's gonna be delicious, smoked baby back ribs. So hey, without further ado, let's go break in the new smoker. All right, so here we got 2 racks of baby back ribs. So the first thing, and sometimes like I think at Costco, if you get ribs at Costco, this is already removed, but a lot of times it's not. So you have this membrane here and you can leave it on, but I like to take it off. So if you just kind of take a knife, try to get it under there. Just kind of free up a corner. And then if you can do it, you grab this with a paper towel. And if you're lucky, it all comes off in one, but I wasn't. There we go. And then the other one. Okay. And because the smoker is a vertical smoker, not a horizontal smoker, we're gonna go ahead and cut these guys in half. And there we got our 4 half racks. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna use some Dijon mustard as a binder. So we don't need a lot. This is just to get our rub to stick. And then you're gonna hit this with your favorite barbecue rub. This one's my homemade one, but use whatever one you like. And these are pretty big pieces of meat, so they can take a lot. And there we go. So we got our smoker set to 225. And we're gonna put in our water pan. That's about equal parts apple juice and apple cider vinegar. And then we put our ribs in. Then we're gonna let these guys go for about 3 hours on 225. We're using Applewood chips, so see you in a little bit. So once our ribs are smoked to where we want them, so about 3 hours, you know, it could be two hours, 2.5 hours, just depends, but the 3-2-1 method is pretty good. Just depends on kind of what you're working with. But anyways, so we're gonna put this guy on a little bit offset, and we're gonna wrap these all in foil. So then I'm gonna take 2 little knobs of butter here, a little bit of barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna throw these guys in upside down, wrap them up, and repeat. So we're gonna throw these guys back in the smoker, upside down this time, for another 2-ish hours. All right, so now we grab these guys. I'm gonna pull the foil off here. Oh yeah. Okay, all right. Let me put this back this way again. I'm gonna pour the drippings into this bowl here. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix this with some barbecue sauce. And then we're just gonna brush these guys with that sauce. And back in the smoker. So at this point, we crank the heat up to 275. We're gonna just let those go for about 30 minutes to an hour. Let that sauce kind of tack up, and then we should be good to go. So there we have our ribs, all done, 6 hours roughly. So let's go ahead and cut one of these guys open. And there we go, look at that. And there we have our little teepee tower of ribs. Time for a bite. This is gonna be messy. Oh well. Smoky, sweet, delicious. It's not like fall apart, which is what I like. I like to have a little bit of bite, so it's perfect in that way. The meat's not just falling off the bone. But if you like it that way, then just take the temperature up a little bit more. Between like 190 and 200, you're gonna get kind of a lot more bite. 200 to 205, it's gonna be fall off the bone, but you'll still have to kind of a little bit more bite. And then like around 210, you're gonna get that just completely fall off the bone kind of stuff. So super good. But let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing? What we got for you? I got some ribs, just like you wanted. Here you go. What do you think?
Those are perfect. I missed having a functioning smoker.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
What is it to gain the whole world and lose your soul?
Nash approves, I approve. Super good, perfect consistency, perfect texture, flavor's great. 6 hours of cook time is a long time, but you don't have to do a whole lot of work. So totally worth it. Great for like, if you're having some people over to watch the game or whatever. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to go like, share, and subscribe, it'd really help us out. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.